everyone, it's Tammy. I still haven't gotten my holder for my phone fixed, so unfortunately this is going to be the new angle for today anyway. I don't know that I can fix my thing. I probably just need to buy a new one, so I don't know when I'm going to get around to that, but I will try to put it on my list of things that I need to remember, and hopefully will. So, I know it's been a while since I've talked with you, and I know that this angle is weird, but when I had the angle over on the other side, the light was shining in my window so much you couldn't even see me. So I hope that this is better, or this is okay. I know it's not the best, but I am on my way to Taylor, and I've already done this introduction once when the light came in and was all shiny, so I repositioned when I was at a stop sign, and hopefully this is better. But I do have my Starbucks. It is quite enjoyable. But it is 83 degrees out, guys. It is still too hot for me. It's supposed to be autumn, and it is just still summer. It is October 9th, Tuesday. I took the day off, and it is about 5 o'clock at night, and I am headed to Taylor to visit Katie. I'm going to take her and her boyfriend to dinner, and then I am going to teach the girls on Katie's dorm floor how to knit. They do different things, like twice a week. They do, like, I know Thursday night is a spa night, and they just do things like that together. And when Katie showed her roommates what I was doing, what she had learned how to knit, they asked if I would be able to come and teach them, which is really cute. So I am going to do that tonight. And I got yarn for everybody. I just ordered it off of Amazon and had it sent. I ordered 20 different skeins, but they're the 50-gram skeins, so they're like a half a skein of yarn. And then I ordered a kit or a set of wooden bamboo knitting needles, but they are super, they were inexpensive, and you get like 18, 2 of each, or a total of 18 pair, I guess, and they're all different sizes, so everybody's going to be learning on a different size thing. But I figure if they don't know what they're doing and they just kind of learn, it will be okay. I just got hot all of a sudden. I think I'm having more of those hot flashes, which doesn't seem possible because I am not old enough. I'm just kidding. Actually, one of my best friend's daughter turned 21 today. Happy birthday, Lindsay. I did wish her a happy birthday already, but yay. So it is October 9th. I do know for positive now. I had just forgotten for a minute. So we're going to go to Mexican, and it's kind of cute because I was just here on Saturday. I went to IU on Friday to visit my son, and then I came to Taylor on Saturday to visit with Katie, and we went and had sushi, and then we went to Hobby Lobby, and we got some things to paint pumpkins, and then we painted pumpkins, and then I came home, and then Sunday after church, she and David, her boyfriend, were going to go to Indy to a place called Cake Bake, and they stopped and ate, and then came to the house to stop by for a little minute. Ended up falling asleep, and I woke them up and said, I know you wanted to go to Cake Bake, and you know it's going to be closing soon. And they were like, oh, we'll just skip it. So they ended up just staying at the house for a little while, and then hanging out with us, and then they went back to school, and so I got to see her twice. That was fun. And then, yeah, and I'm taking Friday off this week because I am going to Nashville, Indiana, and we're doing a murder mystery dinner, and we're staying in a bed and breakfast for a couple of nights, so that's exciting. And it should be fun. I have Taz being created, which is crazy, or kindled, yeah, I think that's right. And yeah, craziness. We've not done that before, but with the kids both at school, the best way to do it. And then the following weekend is Katie's fall break, so she'll be home. I don't know when Alex's is. I need to look that up. I think I did look it up, and I don't think they're the same weekend. I think his is the weekend after, but I don't really remember. So we shall see. I know she's going to go to a haunted house with her dad. They go to one somewhere in Ohio, and it's like a cave, and it's really cool. She said she really likes it. So something that I was thinking that would be kind of fun for us to do, but we've just never done it. I don't know. Do you guys go to haunted houses? Let me know. And if you live anywhere near me, let me know which ones you like. I don't know. I'm kind of mixed about haunted houses. I think that... Sorry, I got a phone call. I think that the idea of haunted houses sounds pretty fun, but when I actually think about it too hard, I get scared and I don't know that I want to do it. So I'm not sure. Just not sure. Oh, sorry. I was going to wait and vlog on my way back so I could tell you how it went, but then I figured it'll be dark on my way back and I won't be able to, so I'll just have to do that in a different vlog. But let's see, how is everyone? Alex seems to be doing well. He says he's happy, so that's good. It was very nice to see him. I didn't get to spend as much time with him as I'd like, but he is doing well. He is actually pledging, I think that's what you call it, for a fraternity this week. Well, I guess for the next 5 weeks is when how they do it. So I hope that goes the way he wants it to. And Katie is doing really well. Her credit hours are crazy, but she is hanging in there, and she and David are doing really well, and she's having fun and getting her classwork done. She has her own desk at one of the classrooms, and she teaches. It's really cool, and she's been sharing some of her lesson plans with me, and oh my gosh, it's so cool. She's going to be such a great teacher. Yeah, so I'm excited for her. What else do I know? Dennis has his hernia surgery soon, so that will be not good, but that just reminded me, I told Kitty that I would cut out some frogs for her using my Cricut, and I didn't do that yet. I need to do that. I don't know. She needs them for her bulletin board. I think she said she needs them next Thursday, so I still have time, but I need to get those done and mailed to her. And I wonder how big she wants them. I need to find out all that information tonight. Hopefully I'll remember. I have not been doing a lot of vlogging lately. I haven't been doing a lot for YouTube lately, and it's been different. There's a part of me that's kind of enjoyed the no pressure of not feeling like, oh gosh, I have to do these videos. I didn't even do a plan with me. I mean, I don't know, it's weird. But then there's a part of me that just feels like I'm being discombobulated and maybe lazy, although I'm not being lazy. It's just for the channel, and so I apologize to you guys for that. I know that you guys are awesome, and I know that you guys understand. Sometimes we just need a little bit of a break to sort things through, but I didn't even realize that I was kind of getting in there, but I guess I was kind of getting in there. So I appreciate that you guys have been kind. I've still read lots of comments. I haven't read all of them, but I've read lots of them. I still have a lot to catch up on, but I appreciate you guys giving me grace and for your understanding. I need to do another live for my knitting vlog, because those are, I mean, I really do enjoy all of it. Just sometimes I feel like I put too much pressure on myself, and then I just feel like, oh, all of the walls are coming in and I'm just not doing anything really well. So, and I've been focusing on knitting so hard. I don't even really know exactly why. I just really like it, so I've just been doing that, and it's been great. But yeah, I need to, like, I know that that's not the only thing I need to do, or that I even want to do, or that I enjoy doing. Maybe that's a better way of saying it. It's not the only thing I enjoy doing, so it's okay to do other things. I just am weird. I don't know what my deal is sometimes. So, sorry about that, guys, but I will do my best to get back into doing more videos and chat with you guys, because I really do like it. I really do. I really, truly do. I have a voicemail now. I actually think that's about Alex's car. I bet that it's ready and I just need to go and pick it up. But I can't do that today because I'm on my way to Taylor and it's already 5 o'clock, so I'll have to do that tomorrow. It's been fine though. It's not like I've needed his car, or, you know, I don't use his car. So I haven't really missed it, but it'll be nice to have it fixed for him. If you guys don't remember, or if maybe you're new and you hadn't heard, but my son is in college and my daughter's in college, but my son doesn't have his car with him. He is a freshman, and before he left for college, someone literally backed up into him. So and it wasn't a bad accident at all. He just had a dent in his front hood. I think it was like $1,500 or something. And as far as cars go, that, you know, really wasn't a lot. So I didn't have to, but we got that repaired for him. The other person's insurance just paid the company or the collision place, and they fixed it for him. So I need to go pick that up. I took it in there. It's been over a week, so they have had it for a while, so I'm not surprised if that is them. I just don't recognize the number, but I think that that's it. It still tells me that I have voicemail up there. It's kind of funny. So this is my favorite season. I just saw somebody with their house with pumpkins on it, and I haven't decorated much, and I don't know that I really will. I don't know. I go through different phases, and sometimes I love to do it, other times I'm just not into it, so it doesn't really matter. And my husband has been doing lots of goofy things, and one of the things he's trying to do is fix his mom's TV, which isn't a goofy thing really in itself, but the fact that it takes him forever, and he has every part taken out and spread around, and oh my gosh, he has the whole garage to work in, but he has that full with a truck and all these other things, so he's filling the house with stuff, and I get all upset with him, and then he cleans it up, and then he gets all out again, and oh my goodness. And I know that some of you can feel my pain, and I know that others of you have no idea what I'm talking about, and just count your blessings if you don't know what I'm talking about, and bless your heart if you do, because I'm with you. I feel you. And it is annoying and frustrating, and we love him, but man. So he's also been sanding in the house. He's working on putting some 6x9s or something like that in his car, some sort of speakers in his truck. And he has, mind you, we have 3 trucks. Not 1, not 2, but 3. And he's supposed to be selling one of them, and then the other one he wants to make into a show car truck thing, and then the other one is his daily driver. And the one that he's making into a show truck thing, he wants to do all these things with it, which, you know what, I encourage. Honestly, you like your hobbies, we all do our thing, you know, go for it. If that's what you want to do, just go for it. It's fun. You can do it, you have the skills and the knowledge, just, you know, but don't make me see every part, and I don't know anything about it. And I'm not trying to be mean. I support him, and I will do things with him, and I'll go to the auto parts store with him, or I'll go to the car show with him, but it's not my bag for sure. Just like I don't make him go to the yarn stores with me and hang out. Now, if we go to Hobby Lobby, he certainly finds things to do there, but you know what I'm saying. He would go to the yarn store, but I wouldn't every day go talk to him about what I'm making and showing him everything and blah, blah, blah. And he doesn't really do that to me either, but he does bring a lot of it inside, and it kills me. So anyway, he's trying to put some speakers into the car that he wants to show, or the truck that he wants to show, and he's been, I don't know, he's making these oval things. I don't know exactly what, but they're wood, and he cut them out and he's sanding them. But he has been sanding in the house. That means that everything that I own has a layer of dust on it. And I got all upset with him, and Saturday I went to Taylor, and when I came home I dusted everything, and today is Tuesday, and I will be darned if I didn't come home from oh, I didn't work today. Where was I? Oh, I went to the grocery. When I came home from the grocery store, he was sanding again. And there was dust on the furniture again. So I had to tell him, Dennis, stop with the madness. I mean, I get it. Sometimes you don't want to be in the garage. Sometimes you might not want to be outside, especially when it's 83 degrees in October. I understand, but come on. I've had to teach him not to use power tools in the house, not to teach him to get all of his Legos out and not put them away, which is what it feels like. And then now I have to teach him not to use sandpaper in the house. He is 48 years old. I mean, my goodness, it kills me. I'm kvetching, but I do love him, and he is a good man. He's just got some less than desirable ideas of how he likes to do things. And you know, if it was his bachelor pad, I guess that was fine, and that's what he had before he met me. But he's been with me for 5 years now, so come on now. Come on. Okay, well, now I'm just complaining, and I'm really not upset. It's just frustrated, and you guys, I'm sure, get it. Like I said, if you don't, count your blessings. If you do, bless your heart. Okay, well, I am almost at Taylor, which is awesome, and I think I'm gonna let you guys go, but I really appreciate all of you guys for understanding and for supporting, and I will be back soon. Bye.